Etina man for prison me Penyah, the Almighty was the other same Twene my antenna, Twene my casa floodings and say me Mahama, not a helicopter mu, and in a million war here pump him, and they are some Twene Canada for Wizia when you were Twene Becassa. Proud with the Accra Friday night happy, the Almighty Twene are better than I, and in fact, I remember I said Mahama party in this government, and then so much Twene, Eka Mahama, as a winnie, any secretary. My man to the moon to the wide area, mammy. Our comment section, I Penyah block media, that's what I said, Dimo. Or like keep video around about subscribers and some back the notification conflicts up the number to the wide mammy, our comment section. Obaswa, not your first any biash, and make a phone nala money and up any amount, or USA, or you co presence can educate fee. I don't know for say. From a promo code in Penyah TV SNS can echo fee, number $20 for free. Or Sunday, and can edu fee. On check account, must send $20 as a bonus, a nalanqua, and a 26 fee. Or more such an amazing offer. Or some who Uduti, about them, condemn. Let's go to the service here. Only when say Accra, Nancy did so air to talk. I'm Accra, I start air flooded. Now flood air cost. In fact, you won't be that. A busy Ghana had them. You know, my main from quite Accra. 2012, 10th March 2012. And Kofukomi and San, a Cambomu discovered Ghana. World Bank, Standard Chartered Bank, any import and export bank. A Komi and San we a Cambo Tambo, open USA. And discovered Ghana, said Ghana, 1 year there's a carry. Number 5 ensure proper drainage system, sanitation system, any good road system. Ewa Accra mountain so that in so far there wouldn't be any flooding in Accra because Accra and capital town, city, the hotspot town, the seat of the president. The honor you be say bomna eho eye kama so that in so far there wouldn't be any flooding. So it was in 10th March 2012 and a World Bank for Edis carry by $795 million over Ghana. Ebesi Mahama enya Tames esokona Mahama eye vice president ana Tames eye president zikawe besi wo muso yehu he $795 million eba Ghana ha yehu be scan fasi yehu he ema June 3rd 2015 enso sa to Accra ho ma Accra flade eku nipa bebebe na you know 2026 you know enso so asa start air to ama ebi ato. Now before then, 2024, there was a flooding. Flooding a crazy happen. Emma schoolboy back ewu. No, Mahama ebe blame for the government. Esama semi demfi ebe kwan ye be ye dede. Na man focus e mama mfo anya politics, but semi demfi ebe kan same way.
We say yan kasi afili afisi. Na de wo fili, me ma fili. Adwuma. Pay for you to attack me for. O my God, na tigari na wo he for. In this Indiana boom, yes, or mine are we have a geological department, we have a geological department. And fact department diaho. I buy ministries like works and housing, like the various municipal assemblies that was of my contract for the silting of drains or 1 year. They have failed that. The president has failed that. That is it. Now, you can't be about what the politics there. And the man to obey. You ain't funny for about so. No, no, your mind also, or you be in my because or my Penyah be in and now can't open here. So, your politics. It's my own money.
And also, the Kesse, a yaku for the bonnet, just in Yame, and a two for the mocha, a Yamia Ketua, God judgment, and a upper Kufado so, and into a flood you echo Koso.
There is no hope. I have said it somewhere, and I will repeat it here. President Akufo-Addo and Bawumia, they are under judgment. The air course on this will be a only knee. I just will be a only spiritual discernment. Say so who do you we are looking for a miracle. Yen ye suffer because in Penyah Bonnie be your man so or mine bre. And yes, I net you. I won't kind Bible. Old Testament no. E mere bia o hene bone na wo David akodi ni bone onyame de ho aso twe ma Israel for David ma o ye census ma ye kan Israel for bronsam ne ma ne ye yo so na David ni wan na nyame de aso twe ne ko so o kum Israel for no te say mo no. That is it.
226 unlikely for them. Flooding happening when mama move no e bin si Ghana ha na moda. E bin si Ghana ha na moda. Ama flood they happy ama manfo fie omo cars omo nyapade omo shop bibia sese ema Mahama air the helicopter efa awiemu to fa awiemu nanam Ghana kuro nse ohwe se de ensuo na yiriye no it's a causes damage to the country. So the way forward and how best I handle issue no. Later, Obeka say the flooding issue no any engineering problem. At first, Obeka say any engineering problem, but now no or too fair you combine who say engineering problem say oh Mahama who the work. At first, we say it wasn't an engineering problem, but now no. We say let's say which is which. I'm always saying we know I bet that on the internet I'm and Accra no omo say National Prayers and Thanksgiving Day. Omo ya Thanksgiving Day. Na eno ana twene se hwe make be pa. Twene abekasa proud to Friday no. Na we any sem a okache John Mahama any NDC government no.
Yeah, we've been quiet for some time, but I think say currently nyoma ekokoso wo Ghana no. Sometimes no chale say what's weighing one kasa uti ho where you what you say. You know, because they affect we all. The floods and what they affect we all. What you say? Sure, Mr. President, I greet you, and Mr. President, you say Uganda had here. We love you. What you say? We overlove you. There's a statement I will make it say the problems we have in Accra or in Ghana about the floods is not an engineering problem, Mr. President. The truth be said, there is a lot of engineering problems in the city concerning our gutters and our bridges. Maybe you haven't seen some of them, but me, I can give you an example. Example is the Kwaw bridge that they are doing right now. If anybody drives around that bridge, park and check. The contractor decided to use culverts to channel the water through the culvert instead of allowing the space of the water, which in size you decided instead of saying obey a bridge, afa so na insuna afa easily and freely, Contractor you see culverts, then blocked some of the waterways so that they directed the water through culverts. Massa, if you see the weight of the water, would they culvert, would they block in our direct now? That is not good engineering. That is bad engineering. So, Mr. President, that is one of that. Secondly, we have gutters that lead to nowhere. That is engineering problems. We have gutters that are gutter and the gutter there's no cover, uncover. So you need to heavier. Definitely, gutter so we have a lot of engineering problems, Mr. President. I love you. But the truth be said, though people are building in waterways, which we have to deal with, and though people are throwing stuff in gutters because they don't have, our sanitation is poor. We don't have place to throw your things. So definitely you will find an option, which is a bad thing. But let's address these things all, and let's not take some out and factor our problems on just one channel. We also have engineering problems. Check our gutters in the cities. What I say, open gutters and gutter popochia. Then how do you expect the water to pass through freely? We have drainage systems. We have drainage problems. So let's address it all. When we say we want to break houses, you be Accra because the whole Accra is a waterway. We use modern, strategies. Let's engineer our city well and channel all the water through proper drainages. Ghana for bread, a breast and also be bubune dying. No. Engineering problem doesn't. We should address that. I love you guys all. I love you, Mr. President. And God bless Ghana.
John Mahama, we are Kwaw. And then we are Kwaw NDC. John Mahama. John Mahama we are Kronfo dodo. John Mahama we are Kronfo dodo. I show up wanting too much. Come the warm up, Baba. Anyway, it is what it is, man. John Mahama, World Bank for something can just say we are Kronfo. Almost 2025. Una do kwasi abedada omuna ji billions upon billions of dollars. Say what they be solve anti-flooding team ewon kan ewo titima the excavator be yiga tabia kataga tabia so na kwaji free World Bank for abrofu no and ombufu afu no on enti afei nsuo no kuro no nyina na ne po koya one farm machine ba akukura caterpillar excavator ba akukura nsiwo udi ni nyina akogu da man se unu Ibrahim ma mfanye galamse nse Ghana fo nsuo wajimi ayesa aboa John Mahama wajimi ayesa aboa abrofu ni si omunti ase edi entina enkran adane ayi epo omunti ase afi omukobisa ayi a finance minister o sika no ho yenya nyusu ye na abrofu ni si na mo ya moa sika da ho a edi entina wo tena ho ama Ghana fo nyina kowu enti Ghana fo nipa over 20 something ensu afọ mama omawu no enu na eye NDC ni abua bi losi ase woni twase rat kwasia Ghana fo John Mahama kwasia mpanyina kwaje sika in the name of Ghana wakwaje hu sika se o solve Ghana problem o kan nsuo efa Ghana fo hu fi ba omi akura wonya mampanyini ono na atiasi from enokonkofo fie ade ase omo amawu nipa 20 omawu John Mahama kwasia mpanyini watimi asi wo onam na oye national player oni asofofo no asese sika na asofofo so mudi ni empaye meanwhile wakoji sika na wodi betiti gatem ade bola ka bisi wo waji sika na di uni twa ati jimi kwase akofo ade na akoji World Bank for sika adi se wodi be stop flood ewon kan ena ensuo kumnipa na wodi helicopter nam kuro no abra helicopter no obetimi ni ama ayifo national service for ni soldier for no matiasi krum edi helicopter no dia ayi nipa ensuo di omoko John Mahama ntinya nyi entu helicopter na fa ma omo no team na oma documentary kwasia ba omia no yento abama no ono na atiasi for masheku boot krum enam ho eche victim for sika se omo amunya bade ase munyi wi na mfa nkrekura mu kakra ne hwede nyame beye kwasia John Mahama timi asifom watimi akobi fie adan no magimi se NDC ni aboa mi wa wakoji sika na free World Bank for no ama abrofo no buafu adan na moye moasa de ntina bibini agimi sa wakoji sika na Ghana sika o aboa kase broni ndi ache no aboa hu fi wate sika bia broni de ma no enye onfa nche enye free NDC for mwa ya jimi sa abere no mind yeye ade na moye mwasa uni trust rate jebe abu subscribe bi anko Twene University no ko subscribe and comment ba me hun mabodi o ba so anu a share no kre no o say they all mind forget about the useless NDC party say the truth what you say me da say jebe o say NDC more fire Twene Jonas thank you appreciate that be a Jimmy NDC for Jimmy dodo ya to abama wakwaji sika uji nkwasi ya levi uji sika left and right akwaji sika obroni wose se sika me Jimmy tuto bola asisi me ne buto bola ka edi das bia besisi kronum akwaji billions of dollars na fe waji sika na mansuo na bola ni nyina twi ukotwoko uko ai circle bola nkoa woso akwaji hu sika abrofo ni bisa wa sika ni gu account mu ko sika ne branso a osida bi unkoyi mba eni sika no wadi abua na krofo we ka na ho kankan NDC ni abua wo se wajiminti untiminti no kro mu ni twa asere stupid people mu ka se o man ni obi dia ho enwan John Mahama kwase mpanyansa woni tim o wia no ne kwase abetra se ono ko change 4 years term day 1 year ka home because wajimi yourself so koya me mo obi akoku no me ka no kra kire mu obi wan se John Mahama wu na me ne ti ase se me na bo pa ma soja fo no ku no so wajimi a wasia ye nanano machichiri kuro kama 4 years oba no amobra na okone ade obi foforo aba wo si wajimi nko wani brade ye ntichinchimi akwasia woni atamesi aye mampanyi 2012 abesi ne wadi mampanyini saa wodi wi ase kwan John Mahama nfi o man be yankenye ye dada wasia wadi post saa power hungry na ati oba ubobra na makato se ubobra no anwie sika na ama o man kwasia fo amfa nkoto $1 million ka make sure na wo ye kroni ya na obi aho atona ebasa yebesa to ama NDC 4 years versus 1 year de na doso aden wachimi se chinchini ya mekoye nkwase ade na kwe obi abetan NDC for because wajimi o kan ate aden na bibini ya buasa plus uni chasere kwase nsu ohirifa Ghana for na otu okeka nkwase asem se John Mahama eye mampanyini papa kwase ahu mampanyini ya ono ensu afa Ghana for ensu odi omoko no the helicopter enam kronum no ma ho documentary ti said ye oye o create content oye content creator mampanyini plus abuwe mampanyini oni mi ansa no on tena play mu ma commentary osi form no aye dan no the helicopter na ma fire service na nkojina fire service for dan ho omo office no man instructions muntu helicopter enfa krom obi a o sense nsuo na ni bia mo fa homa sisi mo fa helicopter ne mra form na mo sisi o mo nyina ngu helicopter na mo save nipa kwanda bi o hwe mo nyina wi nipa over 20 something mo nyina wu na o de ne kwase abetena ho say yen so sa jimi we so abra abrochire se wo no na muntaka na ntwie ne ho kan abetena say California kra e flood kwase a o mo de ne tsunami aboa enye nsuto e natural disaster Ghana de ne just a rainfall e moa den magimi ese moa NDC fo nkraman dwomama uni twasere na me ka se me chelo me bi lazy BMW no na me ka me so skwabo bi an share no kwe no I say Jibril Abu I say my God I love Jonas I wanted even to tell you to fire A+ for me but you did A+ oh ya boy Jimmy too much e ya kufuado pa ni ba omi na te so e no ma hwa mansuo aye den aku afa Ghana fo nyina enka A+ oba betena be di o matem ba dwoma makwase mpanyini eti wona se ono na hwe ono kra dwoma ma de chese wakwaji abrofo ni sika o ena ma hero World Bank for so abaji sika billions upon billions of dollars say o de to top bolaka ni excavator de abegu kronum anti Accra flooding community wa no ate dwoma ma sika no hia wadwam o sem ka kire o ne manta for no munya adwuma da untifala ni de Lamborghini Bentley G-Wagon am de ka show ni nyina taxpayers money because adiantina kufuado transfer 8 years nkwasiafo we o mantimi anya ka show da adiantia o mantimi anya boxing da adiantia o mo se kwase mpanyin be ma mpanyin a akufuado time na dwoma ma manta for no mo kwase o mo ne nam Ghana o so no mo na mo eba ni se o mantimi anya e no ma dana skafo enti ade na dwoma ma kura wonya aboa uwie skani bi ma fa bi solve a fraud no na nka di bia ma eren ayeden atoto excavator na mpa ade abegu kronum na mo tigatam na mo katagata so tise de yokoka kire broni se wonim nyansa nti o faska ne ma na beye o man ni ye tise abrochire wakota da broni na jisika na ye kroni ye tise ya ye bisa atofo se yanso won de ohun ba bi esika na fa dwoma ma so se ohun sika ba bi esika na fa na abrofo se da bi nkofo we ye moa because abrofo nti ase se wa baji sika se wo ye bibia enka ya de kro no na wo de edi mfaso no sisi amakwaji sika se mi kosi dan ama obi a dan na amaji sika amisi no se mi si dan ni si wo na e bia cement no me 20 na be ya na e bia me de 19 aye na pocket wa akusika sa na ye no ba se maji sika na man ko to prot mpon man kosi no me criminal sa na abrofo no humu sesi a NDC for moa because omo ba ni nam kran ho omo hu ba bia that's me bia si omo hu ba bia bola ka bia si kolugono na emu ai bola nko ano e da so ye bola na atwoku oba bia won kran ho anti omo bisa se 2025 sika no he jomama he wo he eno na o man tafo de ye boxing eno na o man kwasiafo de ye car show RG banks or say their benefit is more important than the citizen life. I know they say no kula kanya sanka jomama 10 year boa hu fi Ghana fo akoto abama ya po asem no mu wa helicopter siwo na won mom na utim twa nsuo na afa promo of kire ewiase nyina se wagimi meanwhile sa helicopter ambetimi ama Ghana national security fo agimi fo ye ne soldier fo ne police fo no mutim no mde ahoma gugu nsuo nani wa nsuo de ukobi asom ni entwonwura helicopter nim se bu nkwa no ahwe na mampanyina hwa ma mu nyina awu na wo no owia wo besa akọ omu fie kura akọ ye omu condolence and one Babumiana or position or no moment and number of feet. Now who can we now say, oh, Bompire national player, a sort of one Mompire, young coupon stop problem. No need chance, young coupon and a catch us OG scan could and find stop problem. I didn't be near Jimmy. I didn't be near Jimmy. I don't know, I'm in Tiasio. Was he brony if I go, the diamond, the BB, go free. Was he when you scan your Mucrosia, what is can house work with? John Mama again, Uniminado Pasiakot now. Say, oh, Baba, when you are the account for you, I could for you and Jimmy on no names on the or better than Constitution of 5 years. Sadana, you may now, I remember Biabekum, make out will be a debt who was some who and was a me any other Bronico Kulumba, and some I want to have a Kuntoba. Remember Biabekum because we are Pasia. Yana no much chiri come again independence for selfish reason we say constitution amani clear say man panyini who 4 years them who do 4 years we are to aba near the obi fofra aba who can 10 year boa say me kwa akosesa no abra wo ba in 2 years no faso bi ama so aboa ati jimi wo ya wo jimi pe wo beba be wo be wu anajo na me ni sojafo na kasa me momaku many time I will be about 2 years. I am planning. Say, ye baby, you got to Kronum, near Katakron, so got America got to be any Arabama. In Soto on touch and Ghana in Ira or Romania. It's ye baby, yes, you cannot one bang for the buyer, ye Jimmy and Yeriano. Ye Manican, ye Tontonia, this cannot quack wearing. I be your crony. Montilas and Amon Unisay, Nipanecha, Jimmy, power hungry. Opa bra, yani ebe to abanama ukwasia. Jimmy. Enti unim na ukosisa bibi anadwo be kwa asama ndo obi antimi nkasa. Meni soja fo na ka umbeku free. Kwaso faso obi ani so. To ya bua. Ya nyane sa ni ejamu na kwasia wo de ko 5 years ekim. Ba omi aba so onu so esa no de ko 10 years because ya Mahama ye ya de ntini e mon de onye. Na say tano nti ase ono so yema na ye de ko 10 years na saa no enwan sa anka mama betena so forever na mo se kuro no mu wiae saa but ye ne 4 years no ba no agimi na ukofie boko no before France aba di oni nyansa na ekipu no ko 8 years wa jimi bia wo ba 4 years na ko simple asem bia ni there's no problem obi ana oni asem ntu ko tena na ko jimi ko se constitution na ho e chese un respect constitution na na jo be ko asema ndo obi antimi nkasa me ka kire obi antimi nkasa ga yo no kura surome ntimu ntaka bua mfa California compare Ghana da no jimi dodo California has eno kura no natural disaster no man panyini no etue obi afia asai kama no abua afia bia insurance won kankan omo mu fia asai when na ama obi 1 cedi John Mama say o ma relief fund bisa say scan wan ni nyina social media game oti Thanksgiving service and oni asofofo akronfo ma ye awie no asese sika na ma mba mi why wo sese sika na de ma asofofo agimifo na Duncan Williams ono na mo no onye hiani mi nim sofo a wo tam sika ma ne nne se o mebọ mpa ye ma Yesu stop nsuo abre o ye hiani wo fa sika no koma victims na omu dan ensu afamu no ma nyina omu TV asai omu ka asai omu bibi asai omu na hie sika no nye Duncan Williams na fukutu na sorry branch ba ku nim connection ogi ni Sunday ade na magimi me dwene wa mentiase yo de onu wo sika ni bi no yemfa ahiafo sika taxpayers money ko pi ni so enwai mumfa ma de ne ho kiri na magimi dodo bibi ni su ye nipa o mi nim sofu bi a ono te wa ono Sunday first offering omo boy offering more than 20 times omo yakron for Jimmy John Mama who feel ate first offering krano say sika no ya Ghana economy say go for more branches the whole Ghana baby omo yeska for that bibi ni Jimmy consider buying mama mom seat belt no of course you know what it is heaven am na ren am sha bibi aso tie na glass in one na you bet him this can stop problem yes say ma so for Jimmy Fuedi no abompaye meanwhile say scanner wo dey ma so for say ma bompaye national player ye organize government players first can bet nya kwesi na bola ka besi wo Asofufuo Jimifuo obia anye ukra na enye ne ayi 1 billion ombeji asana maba so enti seska na utu gudwomama dani bawomiye hunyansa ti se bawomiya muntafuo mienu mumienu nyina majimi nso na bawomiya se onim nyansa chen what check boot krom asori afri ni comfort zone any Ghana for ne won ateche na me catch us every 1 minute we are fire service na munya misha bro ni so nto crowd and na muna me catch us aban bass na mu the system is working glass nko a so JJ Rollins bye bye ojina techenum ni papa spirit that is the leader ababa wa no ojina techenum ni Ghana fo nyina na ebre sese ke waja atom adwo mama kwase empanyi ni di helicopter ne be ma omo lodu nsu agum akohwie nsu na gu seke onum na fe no seke onija no adum na yeyi nipa na o matrapo seke onfinfin na eja na ehye omo ku omo dworo be abra ekuro ni nyina dane epo ntika ntimi nwura ho na kodum ja no ye di helicopter na madwo mama no tim na otwa kire Ghana fo eye jimin we jimi dwo mama. I'm sorry, it is what it is. Aye nam na uye aye kwa kuoba na uye na me catch us every na na glass nko a eye jimi and we jimi eti kwasia munkoto ntomo maya fire ni Lamborghini ni Bentley ni Rolls Royce na mfeska kan kwa yokro ni ye
ubeta chere wa adwene e dia mame e wo comment section hi Penyah Block Media Accra.